Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now, power on and unlock your iPhone 16, then make sure it has Wi-Fi or cellular access so changes propagate. Once done, open Settings and tap Messages. That's the single app-level control for iMessage. You're not searching for hidden menus, you go directly into Messages. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off so you see confirmations. This step readies the phone so the next actions actually unregister or disable Apple's iMessage service correctly. Now in Messages settings, locate the iMessage switch near the top and toggle it off. That's the primary action to stop iMessage delivery on your iPhone 16. You'll see the switch go gray. Wait a few seconds for the system to unregister the device from Apple's servers. If the phone prompts for Apple ID sign out or verification, follow the on-screen directions while staying connected. Once the switch is off, standard SMS/MMS will be used instead of iMessage for non-iPhone recipients. Finish by sending a test message to someone who normally receives green bubbles. You should see a green bubble for SMS. If the message still appears blue, toggle airplane mode on for 5 seconds, then off to reset network and retry. Make sure the iMessage switch remains off. If the device stays registered with iMessage, sign into your Apple ID settings and sign out of Messages, or use Apple's deregistration page to remove the number. That single troubleshooting tip usually solves lingering registration issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.